guys, so this is our little nursery that we always come to for strawberries. And the reason we're going to put in strawberries is because with our seeds, the ground isn't warm enough yet for seeds. So we're going to do some bare root strawberries and put them in, because that way when we get back we'll know if the water wicking system is working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, the roots are pretty wet. Hey Mom, is this onion? No, those are probably cattails, but parts of them are edible. If that's what they are, is cattails. So let's go pay for these. Hey guys, so the thing I was most worried about with the AirCrete bed was it has a lot of space between the blocks. You don't want to have a lot of open space in a raised bed because it lets all the moisture come out. That's why I don't really like to use chicken wire on my hot beds, is because it lets all the moisture out. I prefer solid sides. What we did was put cardboard in here along the sides to help hold the soil in and to also help hold moisture in. And it looks like we are retaining moisture with this watering system. Darwin had us bury them, the little cotton strips that you can see in here. But it is so, such a new, different thing to do that I don't think we're going to get really predictable results with seeds, because seeds can be so very picky about when and what circumstances they will germinate in. So what I'm going to do is we're going to plant these strawberries, and their roots will be deep enough to be able to tell if the system is getting water. Here on the top it's all quite dry. Even though we've had a lot of rain, I have a lot of perlite up in that space. But if we do get rain, it'll be easier if the roots are deeper to make sure that there is enough water down below. It's about 1 inch under that I'm filling a lot of water. Okay, so while we hope that this is enough to keep them moist below, I just moved all this soil, which means that it did dry out, and which means I don't think there's enough water there now, because this is more of like a drip system, and the soil on top was warm and dry. So I'm going to go through and add some water, just so that I know that they're not drying out. Well, there's the bed. Our Idaho sunshine is full out. The sun is very bright, very harsh. So we'll see how these guys do. I'm going to water them really well before I leave. And The soil down a couple inches under is quite moist, but we've had a lot of rain, so that could be it too. And I have to put the cage on it because we've got baby goats.